Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and we are planning on putting a 3.5-inch lift on our Jeep JL Rubicon EcoDiesel.
All right, we got some projects to get done here.
We got a project ahead of us. We're working on this side, and then we'll go to this side, and we'll move to the back. Okay. One of the first pieces off. One of many. We'll set that right there. Here is the stock spring, and right here is a 3.5-inch.
So the stock is 20.25 inches. You want the METALCLOAK to be 19.75 inches.
We're putting 3 bump stops in. We put in, now I just need to tighten up this. There's a bolt on the bottom that goes right up there. So right here is where your old shock went, and now right here is where the new one's gonna go. I would say this one is past halfway done.
Okay, let that down.
Back at it again, now on the right side of the Jeep. Got this left front all done. Everything. Still need to put a track bar on. There's a stock one. It's the aftermarket one. Yeah. That's the back track bar. Looking pretty good. Front end is almost complete. Almost. You put one more bolt in, and it's done. Okay, so right there, you can see it's on the bump stop. So that's the max flex, I guess, that would go right here on this side. I mean, that's pretty good. Last time I did this, I didn't disconnect the sway bar, so that's another reason why it's not rubbing. Well, you guys probably can't see that. Yeah. There's that plastic piece right there. Oh, right there. And then stop there. Yeah. It's pretty good. Good old diesel. She rolled right up that. Right up it. Awesome. Guys, what do you think of this Jeep? It's beautiful. That's what I think. So we've done 3 mods to the Jeep. First one we did was a Smittybuilt Gen 3 winch. That turned out okay. We had to fix the plate, makes sense. That's Smittybuilt brand new one. Then we went with the 37-inch tires. And finally, went with the 3.5-inch lift. And it looks awesome. It looks awesome. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Yeah. There's that piece of power sticker. That gives you a better shot of everything down in the front. It looks so good. Oh, we also took off the ends of the bumper, make it a stubby bumper, just because we went off the 37-inch tires and just so it didn't hit. It looks so good. Man, this looks good. Every time I look at it, this looks better. Okay guys, so if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn something about the Jeep or just something about us, comment. And well,